kunyari, magre-race tayo. Ano car mo?
I want a supercar.
Supercar. What kind of supercar?
A McLaren.
Wow, McLaren. Do you think I will win if we race together? Ha? Di pa alam yung car ni Kuko eh.
Ako, anong car daw ni Kuko? What's the car?
So you have 2 cars.
Ano?
Only one car is broken.
And the other one is dirty.
Yeah, I know it's lucky.
Is lucky, okay. So tingin mo mananalo yung Honda Civic ni Kuko sa McLaren?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah, your piece of junk is definitely gonna be win. It's going to be winner.
Winner ka?
Yeah, that piece of junk.
Yung Civic ni Kuko, piece of junk. Ikaw kung sisibakin ka nun. Boom, 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 boom. Sabog.
Piece of junk
Piece
daw.
of junk.
Yeah, it is a piece of junk.
Ano
The
to-
aircon is broken.
Ano tunog ng McLaren, Libby? Ay, yung tunog ng car ni Kuko.
Bye guys.
Huli!